Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to check and pay the direct booking commissions in the Channel Manager extranet. Direct booking commissions refer to the charges hotels incur when guests book directly through their own channels, like their website or booking engine. While usually lower than OTA fees, they may still include platform or software charges. First, log into your Channel Manager account. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. Now, head over to the Transactions tab. Here, you'll see the total booking amount and the payable commission. You can also select a date range to filter the commissions you want to review. To pay the commission, click on the booking IDs for which you want to make a payment. Then, tap the Pay button on the right-hand side. You'll see multiple payment options like credit card, debit card, or UPI. Just select your preferred mode and complete the payment. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your pending direct booking commission. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to contact our support team using the details provided below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.